Hey guys, Shobrik, so welcome back in another video. This video is going to be about my daily vlog. About 2 दिन आगे मैं एक वीडियो छोड़ছিলাম আমার lung infection journey নিয়ে. If you haven't watched that video, make sure to check down the description below. So, as you can see here, my roses look absolutely beautiful. There's like 9 buds that's growing constantly. And Kalyotena, আমার jasmine flower গুলো rapidly bloom করতেছে. Although one of the bud has fallen down, but the other 2 are growing rapidly. যেটা আমি last video দেখাইছিলাম baby ছিল. এখন I hope the next 1 to 2 days এগুলো bloom করবে completely, and I can't wait to see them. I'm so excited. And I've been constantly using fertilizers on them, and I haven't used any fertilizers for a while, and it's still growing pretty well. The leaves are kind of like sleeping. I guess I have to use the fertilizers again. And this is my spinach plant. Wait, let me just fix the camera real quick. There you go. This is my spinach plant, which is also really good. It's really good for health and everything. I just grow them like in a mass, and we get like about 200 grams at least every month, and which is pretty cool. A free source of, you know, vegetables from the garden itself. And for a few days it's been really hot in Malaysia. Everything is like so sunny. It hits me in the face and it gets really hot nowadays. But other than that, it can't stop me making another YouTube video for you guys, just sharing what's going on in my stuff. And yeah, and I just go back, and when the time that my mom got me these beautiful strands that looks beautiful in our balcony. The best part is when it starts raining, they started like, you know, like rattling a bit. It looks so peaceful with the earthy smell and everything. And I've been like doing some more song covers lately, which is affecting my, you know, reach a lot in a good way. I mean, a lot of people are like appreciating my work. I just recently covered Empty by WRLD.
These drugs acting like mosh pits, squishing me. Oh my, oh me, now they kill me slowly. Lonely, I've been getting no peace. OD feel like overdosing. Okay, I've been looking for the signs, but all I can find is a sign of the time.
Yeah, that cover picture is absolutely insane. I just remaked it with WRLD's face. I don't think it's the right thing to do, but my morals just tell me it's okay either way. We ain't making it past 21. I'm just kidding, guys. That's it for today. I will make another daily vlog video very soon. See you guys.